Hi everyone, welcome in. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video. If you are new here, karibu sana, welcome. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again today. Your support is highly appreciated as always. So today I'm going to talk about on how you can apply for remote jobs on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step on how you can apply for these remote jobs. But first, before we get into today's video, I'm going to mention about two videos and I will request you to go watch those other two videos before you watch this one for today. So the first video I did was on how you can set up your LinkedIn profile to attract remote jobs. This video number 2 was on how you can revamp your LinkedIn profile and your resume so that it can help you to easily land remote jobs. After you've watched those two videos, come back here and watch this one because I'm going to show you how to apply for the remote jobs on LinkedIn, step-by-step guide. I believe you have a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have one, please sign up today for one, open an account, and then come here and let's get started. So get your laptop ready, get your phone ready if you don't have a laptop, and let's get to work. So this is my LinkedIn account. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to use it to show you how to apply for remote jobs or any other jobs on LinkedIn. But normally here we talk about remote jobs. So let's focus on remote jobs for today. So first you log into your LinkedIn account and this is what you see. You have the home page, your account, your profile is there and everything. You have these tabs, my networks, jobs, messaging and all that. So you're going to click on this tab, the jobs tab. Click on the jobs tab. On this tab, you'll see this top job picks for you. So this means that according to your profile, the way you've set it up, LinkedIn has suggested these jobs that it thinks might match your profile or might match your skills. So what you're gonna do is you're going to come here on this search bar up here, and depending on your job skills and depending on your skills or the title you're looking for, you're going to type here on this search bar your job title or the skills. So let me say, let's type project management. So when you type, it brings all suggestions. So you can type project management or you can type sales manager, or if you type sales, you can see all these suggestions coming up. So depending on the title you're looking for or depending with the skills you can choose. You can choose product you can type product manager or product owner, or just depending on the skills that you have. So today let me just use an example of a project manager. So once I type that, I'll just choose from the list below, project manager. Once you press enter, you will see a list of jobs here related to project management. You can see there are a lot of jobs, 47,000 results. We are going to filter these jobs so that we can only have the jobs that we are interested in displayed. We are looking for remote jobs, number 1. So you come here on the next search button and type the location. So let me say, let's type Dubai, and then you can see it gives you options. So you choose Dubai, and Dubai, you can see you have 300 jobs. Let's go back to the United States. I think that has so many jobs. So you just type United States and then you click on search. With that, you will see 46,000 jobs available in the United States that are with title of project manager. So once you do that, we're going to filter it more. First, we're going to filter it more so that it can match our interest. You have job preferences. As an individual, you have job preferences. So you're going to filter these results as much as possible so that you can end up having only jobs that are matching your interest. So next thing you're going to do is to check on the date posted. So Personally, I like choosing jobs that have been posted 24 hours ago because I believe these ones are still fresh and new. So I'll just choose past 24 hours. You can choose anytime, past month, past week, but I'll go with 24 hours. Then I click on show results. And as you can see, we only have 2,000. We have moved from 46,000 to 2,000 results now. And then the next thing, you're gonna choose the experience level. So depending with your level of your skill, the level of your skills, you can choose internship, entry level, associate, mid senior, up to the executive level. So for me, with my skills in project management, I choose director and I choose executive, or maybe just mid senior level. Let's see, and then I choose show results. The results are still at 2,000, so I still have 2,000 jobs to apply to. And then salary, you can choose if you know how much you want to get paid per year, or you can choose from here. This is yearly salary, it's not monthly. I leave it that way. Then I go to company. I'm not specific to any company, so I leave it that way. Then I go to here. This is the most important thing, and that is why we're here today. So on this tab, you're going to choose remote jobs only, unless you want other physical jobs. For me, I choose remote and I focus on remote jobs only. And then I click on show results. And as you can see, the results, we are back now to we are now at 100, from 46,000 to 100 results. So the reason why we are doing this is for you to have the jobs that are matching your needs. So you can't apply to 46,000 jobs. You just want to have jobs that are really interesting to you. So once you've selected all the filters, so let's just work with the time filter, the experience level filter, and the remote job section filter, and then the rest you can leave it like that. The jobs that are listed here, they are matching my interest. So I'm going to check one by one. So I'm going to see this business operations, special projects. And when you click on this, on the job, on the right side, you will see the job description about the job, the company, the requirements, the benefits, and everything. So you just scroll through as you read through each job description, and the one that you think is matching exactly what you're looking for, you can click on it and apply. So looking at this job, like for example, the remote IT project manager, it is in the United States, was posted 4 hours ago, and only 39 people have clicked on apply. So I have higher chances of recruiters looking at my profile if I apply right now, because only 39 people have clicked apply on this job, and it has been posted only on the last 4 hours. So the job is remote and it's full-time. And then here you'll see this section where AI is showing you how your job, how your profile, how your LinkedIn profile is matching the job description. So it's telling me your profile is missing required qualifications, which is still okay. I'll just go ahead and read the job description. So about the job, they talk about the job, everything, the accountabilities, the requirements, the benefits. I'll go through it up to down here. And once it's matching what I'm looking for, I'm going to click on apply. So there's two things on LinkedIn. When recruiters post a job on LinkedIn, they have two options. Option number one, it's called easy apply, which you can see here. I didn't click here because I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use that feature. And then it's normally, let me show you how it looks like. Here, it's called easy apply. And then we have now this normal application button. The difference between these two buttons, apply and easy apply, it means that when you click, or when it's just apply button, it means that this recruiter wants you to go to apply a job on an external site, like maybe their website or their job platform, where they get to have control on how they review the job applications. But if I click on easy apply here, it means that the job, I'm going to do the application just from LinkedIn. I'm not going to be taken to a different site. I'll show you a practical example, but first, let's start with this apply button. So I've read the job description, everything is okay, and I'm clicking on apply, and it's taking me to an external site. As you can see, an external site has opened, and then now I'm able to fill up my application. So before you apply for this job, there's a reason why I told you guys to go watch those 2 other videos, especially the second one on how to revamp your portfolio and your LinkedIn how to revamp your resume and your LinkedIn profile to be perfect for remote jobs. So once you've done that, now it's easier for you to apply for these jobs, because now your LinkedIn and your resume is highly optimized. Because if you check here on this job board or on this website, you will see it's asking you to either apply with LinkedIn or attach your resume. If your LinkedIn or your resume is ready, you have watched my video and you set it up, it's ready, you can just attach it easily here, or you can just click apply with LinkedIn, and it can fill and it will fill all these fields for you automatically. So once you have that filled up, you can click submit the application and your application is gone. So let me show you how to apply on using Easy Apply now on the LinkedIn platform without leaving the platform. So how to identify jobs that are not requiring you to go to the external sites to apply. You can always see this button here called Easy Apply, viewed in Easy Apply. Here you can see Easy Apply as well, here and here. So for you to only focus on jobs that are requiring you to apply only on LinkedIn without leaving the platform, you can just come here and click on the filters up here and click Easy Apply. And you can see from 100 results, we are now back to 69 results, which shows that you can, on these jobs that are here, you can apply for them only on the LinkedIn platform. You don't need to go to an external site. So I'm going to click, let's say, for example, this one, Project Manager. I'll go through. It has been posted 5 hours ago, 63 applications, and everything down about the job is there. You click through it, and once you're okay, satisfied with the job, you click Easy Apply. And then you see, once I click that, LinkedIn has my information already filled because my profile is there, and then my email is there as well. I can write my location city, which is Nairobi County, Kenya, and then I click on next. And then it's asking me to upload my resume. I click on it, and then I upload my resume, and then I click next. And then it's asking me, at the end it asks you to review your application. So you will see everything is there, and it's also as given you an option to follow the company. If you don't want, you can uncheck, but I'd advise you to follow it, because honestly you want to work there, so you're interested. So you follow the company, go through their page, and even see if they're legit and everything, and you can view the employees who are working there and all that. So I'll just keep the check button on, and then I click on submit application. So let me just submit, just for the sake of this video. But normally I don't just click and submit, but I know I like reviewing the application, see if it's matching my skills, and redoing my resume to ensure that my resume is matching the job description. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to click submit application. And then it says your application was sent to Robert Half, and then it's asking me to find more jobs or answer questions and all that. So that's just how simple it is for you to apply for jobs on LinkedIn, and then you are good to go. So once you click apply, you will see down here that LinkedIn has already marked that job applied by you, so you won't be able to apply again. Then you can go to the next job and apply as many jobs as possible, but please take time to review the job description and make sure they are matching your resume. And I've talked that I talked about that on my previous video that I told you about. So if you feel the job is something that you can do and you can see that it's not matching the description, just ask AI to be able to revamp your CV to match the job description, and then you'll be good to go. So I hope that is clear. I've covered everything when it comes to applying for jobs on LinkedIn. It's very easy as that. And if you have any question, let me know. Comment down below. If you are new here, please subscribe and share these videos with your friend. I'm looking forward to reaching 1,000 subscribers before the end of January 2026, and your support will be highly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching. Please follow this video, watch it again, follow the steps, and let me know how it goes. I look forward to your feedback. Let me know if you get that job. Let me know if you get that interview. Good luck and all the best in your job search. Goodbye.